Hi everyone, this is Mr. T. This is an introduction video to watercolor using the school-provided materials. The materials you'll need are the 8-set watercolor made by Prang, the brush that came with the set, the green brush, water containers, your sketchbook, and some paper towels. I encourage you to buy your own brushes so that you can have a range of options as we paint. Once you've set up the materials on your table, let's start by wetting your brushes. Try not to leave your brushes pointing down, as that will affect the shape and how it works over time. If you've never used watercolors before, the main thing to remember is that this paint is activated by water. Start by dipping your brush in the water and shaking off the excess. To start, you don't want too much water on your brush, or too little. Get a feel for the brush. Your pressure will indicate how much paint it picks up from the palette. Just like our shading, always err to the side of a lighter pressure. When you start, I just want you to get a feel on how the paint behaves and how it reacts to the surface. Practice the small boxes and play around with the paint and see if you can blend it. Practice what happens when there's a lot of water on your brush and when there isn't, which will give you a dry brush effect. Always clean your brush. Don't let the paint dry on it. And once you get the hang of it, try blending one color to another. At this point, it's really important that you clean and wash your brushes before using other colors so you don't contaminate them. Don't take your brush full of purple and dip it into the yellow, because that yellow color is now mixed with purples. Same goes for other colors. So if you want to blend colors like I'm doing right now, what you do is you take your color and you lay it down and rinse your brush off. Then load your brush with just water and take the edge of your brush and slowly brush it towards the paint, and you can see how it slowly blends together. You might not get this on the first try, but just keep practicing. Just don't overwork the surface because the paper will start to get messed up. Hey yo. Hey yo. At the end of your practice, you should have at least 8 boxes that shows one color blending into another. And that's it. Keep practicing.